Hello everyone and welcome to ChrisFX. Today we are gonna be talking about the same strategy that we talked the past week, but I'm gonna be combining it with KILLZONES. For those of you who are not able to be in front of your PCs the whole day and you want to go ahead and trade specific times during the day. Now stay tuned during this whole video because guys, we will be having a giveaway every single month, 2 accounts with Blue Guardian. And I'm gonna be talking about the giveaway throughout the video, somewhere in between the video. So stay tuned, we only have a couple of people who have registered. I will be explaining what this list is, but we have only a couple of people who have entered and we have 2 accounts to give away. I'm gonna be drawing everything on Wednesday the 28th. Stay tuned within the video, not only to learn about the strategy, but also how to enter the precious giveaway. Let's begin with the video. And if you recall, dear traders, the last time I showed you a strategy which was taking into account the impulse. The impulse was being taken into account only on the 5-minute time frame, and on this impulse we were trying to identify a fair value gap. I'm gonna draw the fair value gap real quick right here just to do a small recap, and then we're gonna be combining this whole thing with the kill zones. So when the fair value gap was being created, this strategy was taking into account the impulse and that price might never revisit this fair value gap that was created exactly right here, the gap between those 3 candlesticks. So what this strategy was doing, this strategy was taking the entry right here on this 3rd candlestick, and the stop loss was exactly where the fair value gap begins. This is a different strategy than your normal strategies. My strategy, the one that we are using very successfully in the trading signals, as you can see right here as well, I'm gonna give you an overview what a month looks like. For me, this strategy uses price revisiting an area. Nonetheless, the one that I'm showing you right here for free doesn't include revisiting the area. But look at the statistics that I'm getting. These are evaluation accounts, of course, but I have been trading them right here, those specific accounts, for 3 weeks already. We have 76 trades, out of which 71 are winning trades. And if I zoom into the pie chart right here, you see that I'm winning 93.42% of my trades. So if you think that my strategy does not win above 90% of the times, you are absolutely crazy. I'm proving it every single time with my statistics. I don't need to speak a lot because my statistics are telling the whole truth. Okay, I did that right in front of your eyes. Those are, for example, 3 accounts that are connected with each other and all of them have the very same statistics, and of course I have other accounts as well. Getting this one out of the way, which you can join, of course, if you go ahead at my homepage. I have the link down in the description and you can go to education and go ahead and choose the signals or the education. The one-on-one mentoring is phenomenal. Okay, you will learn once and for all how to hit those percentages, but you can also buy any of those prop firms that I have featured right here and you will be given instantly, you will email me and you will be given 1 month for free in the signals. Okay. Now, I will be talking about the giveaway as well. Let's continue with the strategy. Over here, we were showing, as I said, the premise of this strategy, in other words, was not the typical strategy that you are used to. You're waiting for price to revisit the fair value gap. You are placing a stop loss above this area, etc., etc. The whole premise of this strategy was that many times there is a very strong impulse which you need to identify, and then price many times will not come back to revisit your area, and I'm referring to your FVG area. It will retest my areas because they combine lots of things together. Nonetheless, the whole premise is that if price wouldn't come back to retest this area right here, over here, then it is very safe to place the stop loss for this strategy right at the beginning of the bottom of this fair value gap, because we are supposing that price will never come back there. And yes, many times you will see an impulse, a small retracement up, let's say, something like that, guys. Let's go ahead and draw it as well, something like that. And some more candlesticks being created, and then more impulses like that. and your profit is gonna be hit way too quickly, okay? This is gonna be the case many times. I know that you have seen it a bunch of times. I will pause the video right here for 2 seconds if you want to take a screenshot on what you would be expecting with this strategy, okay? And of course, the other way around if you are buying. We will go ahead now and combine that with specific times throughout the day. Let's go ahead and talk about those times that you can be expecting something like that to happen. Ideally, you will be trading this strategy at the open. We are on Nasdaq right here. We are on the 5-minute time frame, by the way, UTC -4. You can do it down here on TradingView on the bottom right of the screen. You can change your time zone to UTC -4. From the open, which is 9:30 a.m. UTC -4 until 11 a.m. Okay, I would even argue that you can go ahead and do that until 12 personally. Okay, I will give you this time, 9:30 a.m. to 12 a.m. And I would also suggest that you check out the power hour, which is between 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. UTC -4. In other words, we can go ahead and say that so that it is way more clear to you guys. Okay, so now we can take the screenshot as it is, guys. And now that we have taken the screenshot, of course, you can do whatever you want with it. I can Ctrl-V and have it wherever and whenever I want on my charts. And now we are gonna go ahead and show some examples based on the times that I gave you beforehand. Here we will go, it is Wednesday the 21st of May 2024. As a matter of fact, this was yesterday as of the making of this video, and we are right at the open. And this will take into account the open per se, guys. So we are in front of our PCs at 9:30, let's say 9:25, and then we see this enormous impulse. This is an enormous impulse right here. Now, 9:30 has arrived and we're at 9:35, so we can trade. It is the first time US market open 9:30. It is until 11, but I said, I argue you can do it until 12 personally. So what was the premise of this situation that I showed you? I showed you a bearish example, of course. The premise was that price will not come and revisit this fair value gap. Now you will tell me, Chris, many times price is gonna come back and revisit the fair value gap. Yes, sir. That's why you choose one strategy, and yes, ma'am, let's not forget about the ladies. That's why you need to focus on one strategy, and whichever one you like, you follow that again and again and again. You cannot mix up any strategies. Now, what you will be doing right here with the premise, you need an FVG, but the premise is that price will never retrace to the FVG. If price never retraces to the FVG, then you can go ahead and buy with a market execution and place a stop loss right below this candlestick. You can target 2, 3 to 1, or even more. Anything above 2 to 1 is my suggestion. So the premise, the whole premise is that, and there we have it. We have a very beautiful trade in this occasion. Okay, so this is a very beautiful trade that took place instantly at the open, and price never revisited the fair value gap. And I'm showing you an example that happened yesterday, guys, as of the making of this video, the 21st of May. 2025, by the way. Beautiful example. Let's continue with more examples, of course. Now the power hour has arrived, 3 to 4, and we see a ton of liquidity below this area. Okay, and we proceed. We are allowed to enter our trade until 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Now we are 3 to 4 p.m. Let's check out for an impulse. First sign, second sign, very good. Okay, we have also a change of character. Over here, a ton of liquidity has been grabbed. It is still the power hour, because if you recall, this was the second power hour. 3 to 4, this is the power hour, actually. Okay, the second window of opportunity. So what do we do right here? We have the premise that price will never retrace to this FVG with this strategy again. Okay, with this strategy. So you can do that and hit at least a 2 to 1 reward to risk. And you proceed, and you see that it's not every day that it is Christmas Eve, and you see that all of the strategies can hold very high significance. Of course, here the market was closed then, so you wouldn't be in the trade, you are out of this trade with a loss. It is fine. Let's go ahead and show more examples. Moving forward, or I shall say backwards to another example, it is the previous day now, and we're gonna be going ahead and we are gonna start from the power hour, which is 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, New York time, UTC -4. And I'm sharing gold here with you, golden stuff for free, and 3 o'clock has arrived. We have already grabbed a ton of liquidity. We are on the 5-minute time frame, guys, remember that. And by the way, I'm gonna tell you after this example how to join the giveaway, and I'm gonna show a couple of more examples. Very good. Something might be happening, and something definitely happened right here. A strong impulse, changed character with a wick, as we can see, right here. Okay, at the very same time, we have not created an FVG right here, or is it a tiny one? I do not consider that an FVG. We are gonna be waiting, guys. Okay, here is our FVG. This is the FVG that was created. The premise again with this strategy is that price will never retest this FVG. So instead of doing that you would be doing, we are entering with a market execution and the stop loss right below this area. We are targeting at least a 2-to-1 reward to risk. And off we go, of course, guys. Okay, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, 5-to-1, all hit right here. Beautiful example, and I'm taking you day by day, so there is nothing to scam you about right here. Well, there is nothing to scam you about anyways, because I'm showing you examples day by day. Okay, it is a free strategy after all, so you can do whatever you want with it. Now, how you can enter the Blue Guardian giveaway? First of all, on the link down in the description, it will take you to my website, and then you can go ahead to best prop firms right here, and you can join whichever prop firm you want. But if you want to join the giveaway of Blue Guardian, there are 2 ways. The free account, we're going to be giving 2 accounts per month. One account, let me explain right here. Let me explain to you. One account will be given to people who have bought an account through my link. Until now, we only have, until today, the 22nd, 2 people who bought through my link. This means that if 2 people remain, one of these 2 is going to be getting the free 50K account. Okay. Now, the general giveaway, you can all join. One account is going to go to a random person. I'm going to do the drawing live, of course, the draw live. And one account is going to go to whoever out of these persons, and whoever goes in the comments section and types down Blue Guardian giveaway. I had made a video about that on Monday, but you can go in this comment section and type Blue Guardian giveaway, and you will be entered in the general giveaway instantly. Now, if you purchase an account, also type down purchased an account through your link below that. Then you will be included in both giveaways. For the ones that bought an account and the other ones who have not bought an account. So my friend here, Rene, and these other gentlemen are included, of course, in both giveaways right here. So we're going to be giving away 250K accounts per month. Okay, this is the way to enter. And of course, type it down in the comment section, and I'm always there to reply almost instantly to you, unless when I'm sleeping, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and show another beautiful example. What do you think? Let's go ahead and show another beautiful example right here. Okay, and the other beautiful example is gonna take place now on Monday, so I'm giving you every single day of this week, guys. So if you think that this is not working, you are mistaken. Your mindset is what is holding you back. Okay, many of you do not understand that it is not the strategy. Of course, strategies such as ours right here is unmatched. Okay, this strategy you cannot get anywhere else. A 93.4% winning percentage with 76 trades. There is not a single person out there who can show this statistic. It doesn't matter if it is an evaluation, a live account, nobody can show me this statistic out there. As a matter of fact, whoever has a statistic such as this one, okay, for a full month, as I have right here, you can request, you can give me proof, and you can request lifetime in my trading signals for free. Absolutely for free. Send me the proof and you get access in a service of $1,500 absolutely for free. I guarantee that with this video. Let's proceed. It is your mindset which is holding you back. Now, over here, US market open. You go in front of your PC at 9:30 and you can go until 11 if you want. I would argue until 12 personally. 9:25. 9:30. Okay, 9:30 has arrived. We need one more candlestick. 9:35. Okay, now, common strategies would be expecting a reversal back to the FVG area. Our strategy says if price never gets back to the FVG area, this means that we can place our stop loss there. Okay, this strategy right here. This, as a matter of fact, is such strong of a strategy that I might start using myself. Okay, guys, I might start implementing this one in combination with my other strategy, which is way better than this one, of course. But I might implement this one as well. And off we go, guys, and off we go, my lovely guys. And you see that I'm not extending the take profits to 20-1, which you could have done with the previous examples, one or two of the previous examples. I'm just showing you a humble 2-1 with these situations. Okay, a humble 2-1 is what I'm showing you right here. So we pretty much showed the whole week right here, guys. Okay, now of course my other accounts are doing fantastic as well as those accounts right here. I'm talking about mindset and psychology a lot. Please go ahead and enter the giveaway. You can enter absolutely for free on the right list by typing Blue Guardian giveaway. And if you purchase an account, just include I purchased an account through my link, of course, and I'm gonna include you on the people on the giveaway also of the other account for those people who purchased through my link. Also, you can join the mentoring. You can go to whop.com/chrisfxoriginal, as you can see right here, or you can also go ahead here at home and you can go ahead education with live streams and you can find out about what I'm offering, or buy any prop firm account. We are running extreme promotions, extremely good promotions, and you are getting 1 month for free. And every month that you buy, you're getting another month for free and another month for free, forever and ever until the end of this, let's say, channel, which is hopefully gonna be when I'm gonna be 90 years old. So we have at least another 60 years of trading together, my lovely guys. This is gonna do it for today, traders. Thank you all very much for watching and much love to all of you. Bye-bye.